Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am kind of sad because my trip to Las Vegas got canceled. If you guys remember my last video, I had mentioned I was going to go to Vegas, and then I had told you that some vlogs are going to be coming up, but our trip got canceled twice in a row, and then we kind of just lost faith in the airline, so we canceled the trip altogether. So no vlogs for now, but I hope maybe like near future, let's just hope that. But as far as today's video is concerned, I have my black handbags collection video for you guys. I feel like black is a really safe color when it comes to handbags. Like if you don't know what color to go for, just get that handbag and it kind of like matches everything. But over the years, like I've tried not to get black too much. Like I want to explore other colors, but I still ended up with 8 handbags or 8 black colored handbags. So I thought I would kind of put them in one video and share all of them with you guys. I really do enjoy handbag collections video, and I hope you guys will enjoy something like this too. So like I said, I'm going to be talking about 8 handbags all together. And then I'll kind of like briefly talk about each one of the handbag. I think one of them is like kind of peeking through in the corner. But so I'll talk about each one of the handbags briefly. And then if you're looking for like a more detailed review or like mod shots or anything specifics about the handbag, then you can just search my name and then the handbag, like the name of the handbag, and then it should pop up for you, no problem. I'll also try and link some videos down below. So check out the description box and subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to have you come back and watch more of me, and also give this video a big thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, and yeah, without further ado, let's just jump into the very first handbag. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to break it down according to the collection. So the first collection that I'm going to talk about is Michael Kors. You guys know how much I love Michael Kors. It's one of my most favorite handbag, like a fashion house. So I really like Michael Kors, so I think I will start off with Michael Kors. And that being said, the very first handbag is going to be this one right over here. This is called the belted Mercer belted satchel. This is one of the ones that I recently got, and I've used it quite a bit. I really like it. I just love this top handle look. It just looks very businessy. Like I think it's just perfect for work if you wanna go to meetings or stuff like that. It's just really good. It's got 3 pockets. Let me just quickly show you. So that's what it looks like on the inside. It is obviously stuffed right now, but it does have more sections on the inside, and then it's got big 2 slip pockets on either one of the sides. The strap is also adjustable, so that's always a plus. This bag is a little bit heavy, and this is a medium size, but I know that this bag comes in small. It also comes in medium, which is the one I have, and then the large. And now I don't know if they're still available, but if you're interested, then I would highly recommend this one. This is my next Michael Kors bag. This is, I honestly don't even know the name of this bag. It's been a while since I got it, and I don't think I've used it all that very much. I honestly have no idea why I haven't used it, because I really love it. It has all the kind of the characteristics that I am looking for in a bag. It does have top handle. It is sturdy. It is like it's Saffiano leather, and it's very structured, so it's really nice. And it's also got sections on the inside, so 2 big slip pockets and a middle zipper pocket. This one on the inside does not really have any organizations in the the middle section, but that's okay because this bag is kind of small anyways. It does have feet, and that's what it looks like on the on the side. And then this one also comes with a strap, which is a little bit wonky right now, but the strap is adjustable, so that's always a plus. And yeah, I mean, I do like this bag. I just haven't really used it that much. I feel like every time I try to use this bag, I feel like my contents are gonna fall out just because it's, I guess, kind of shallow. I don't know how to say it, but I'm hoping to like wear more of this bag in the coming next few weeks, and I'll be sure to post some pictures on Instagram. Another reason for you guys to follow me on Instagram, so follow me there. But this is basically my second handbag. Now, the third Michael Kors handbag is this little cutie over here, and I'm going to be honest, I've never actually used this bag, like not even once. I got this one several years ago. I shouldn't say several years, maybe like 3 years ago, which is quite a long time. I don't think they're even making this bag anymore. I think I got it because of the bling factor. Like, it's very blingy and it's just very pretty, I guess, and it's small. So I got it, and then the price was good too when I got it. And I don't know, I really don't know why I haven't used it. Let me show you what it looks like on the inside. But this is how you open it. So you basically like push this up, and then it opens up just like that, and then that's how it is on the inside. And I should actually remove this so I can show you, but I have everything here because I haven't really used it, and I think I have a tag inside too because I haven't used this bag at all. So it does have some organization on the inside despite of being such a small bag. It does also have a slip pocket here in the back. So lots of good reasons to kind of buy this bag and use this bag, but I honestly don't know why I haven't used it. I really need to use it. It does come with a strap, which is, I guess, adjustable, but it's kind of thick. I feel like the reason why I haven't used this bag is actually the strap. The strap is like thick over here, and then it's thin on the side. And I feel like the bag, like the strap is really thick for the size of the bag. Like, look at this. I think it just looks funny. I don't know, but I think this strap was definitely a turn off for me. And I have over the years, I mean, in the beginning when I got this, like, I didn't really like the strap, but I was like, hey, I'll match it with another strap. But all the other bags that I have, they are all like black and gold. So I couldn't really find like a strap to match with this, and then I kind of just waited, and then my excitement for this bag kind of faded out, you know. So lots of things going on with this bag. I haven't really used it, but I guess this is a good reminder for me to use it. So that was Michael Kors. Now moving on to Kate Spade. I had 3 Michael Kors bags. I think I have another 3 Kate Spade handbags. I'll start off with the one that I have used the most, and this is this wallet on chain. This one is actually like an outlet bag, and I have used this one so much, like so much. I'll show you guys on the inside and you guys will know what I'm talking about. It is so dirty. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but there's like makeup marks, and there's like literally dust in this bag. It's so dirty. It's dirty to the point that I don't want to use this bag anymore because I feel like all of my SLGs and like wallets and stuff like that are gonna get dirty. So but yeah, it does have a zipper here, which is so convenient. It does have card slots in the back, and then it's also got like this slip pocket in the back. It also has a pocket in the back, and then it's got a good depth to it. I think that's what I really liked about this wallet on chain, that it could easily fit like all of my cards, some coins, you know, like oil absorbing sheets, a little sanitizer, a little like a lipstick, my phone. It fits everything, and I think that's the reason why I have used it so much. And since this one got dirty, I have been looking for a new wallet on chain, and that's the reason I bought Louis Vuitton's Pochette Felicie. If you guys remember that one, it didn't really work out too well for me. That one was wide enough, but I mean, it was long enough, but it didn't have the depth of this one, so it didn't really fit a whole lot, or at least not as much as this one does. But yeah, ever since then, I have been looking for a good wallet on chain because I know that I love this style and I use it a lot. But yeah, this is basically my first Kate Spade bag. Moving on to the next one, I'll talk about this bum bag that I got from Kate Spade. I did do unboxing video of this one on my channel if you're interested, and check it out. I think they do have this one available still. Can't be sure if they do for sure, but I think they do. And this was kind of like my introduction into the bum bag world. I think the time when I got this one, I think Louis Vuitton bum bag was really picking up, and I just wasn't sure if the style was for me. So I was like, let me just kind of try out this one and see if I like it. If I like this one, then I can go and get Louis Vuitton bum bag. And this one is really nice because you have two zippers, 2 pockets, so it works really well. That's what it looks like on the inside. All of these bags are stuffed, I'm sorry, but that's what it looks like on the inside. It does have like a card slots in the back, and it's not too bad. It fits a lot, especially because it's also got like a zippered section here. And I have used this one from time to time, but I think I realized that I'm probably not a bum bag person. It does look stylish, obviously, but it's not, I don't find it comfortable. It's kind of funny to say, but I feel like when I have it up here, it's just too bulky. And yeah, all in all, I think I'm glad. Like, I do like this one, this bum bag, but also because it was not too expensive. But I feel like if I were to like purchase Louis Vuitton bum bag, I probably would not use it as much because, I don't know, I guess the style is not for me. Moving on to my third Kate Spade bag, that is this backpack over here. So this backpack again reminds me of Palm Springs Mini because it's kind of the same way. It has removable straps in the back that you can literally turn this into like a crossbody bag. And I think the whole reason why I got this one was because I could like pretend that it's kind of like Palm Springs Mini. It's got like the handle on the top, and yeah, I think that's the whole reason I got it. And I have used this one, but not that much. I honestly don't know why. I'm really not a backpack kind of a girl, but yeah, I think ever since I got this one, I did get Palm Springs Mini. If you guys have not checked out the unboxing, and I think I posted another video about that, then definitely check it out. But I've been loving Palm Springs Mini, and yeah, this is kind of like a dupe for it, but I think I'm not gonna be like, I don't even use this anymore because I'm all about my Palm Springs Mini. So yeah, but oh, I didn't show you the inside of it. Let me show you the inside. All right, there we go. So it's nice and pink on the inside. I think I really appreciate a black bag that has light interior because it's just hard to see what's inside. You know, that's what happens in my Palm Springs Mini. I mean, it's a small bag, but it does have kind of, it's deep inside, and the zipper only opens up like halfway through, so it's kind of sometimes hard to see what's inside. But this one is nice that way because it's pink on the inside and it's nice. But like I said, I haven't used this one in a while just because I got my new favorite Palm Springs Mini. All right, so those were 6 handbags. Now I'm going to talk about my 7th one. This is actually one of my most used bags of all times. This one is from Lauren Ralph Lauren, and I think I got this one like so many years ago, maybe like 3 years ago. So not so many, but like 3 years ago. And I use this one to death. I use this a lot. I think my second ever video on my YouTube was all about this bag. And yeah, it's one of the best handbags ever. It's nice, it's cute, it's really light, it's got top handles. You guys know I love like top handles. Like, I love bags that have handles sticking out like that. And it's just really convenient. You can see everything at a glance. It's red on the inside. It's cute. It's got little side pockets here, which are not usable. I think you could, but not really. They're kind of shallow, so I don't use them. It does come with a strap, which is not adjustable, but I think when I wear a crossbody, it's just perfect on me, so it's fine. And yeah, there's honestly like nothing bad to say about this bag. I've really used it a lot, and I think that's why I have retired it now. I haven't used this one in a while, and that's because when I first got it, I used it like crazy, non-stop, and there is really like no wear and tear or anything on this bag. It is a little bit dirty on the inside. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but it's kind of dirty on the inside, and that's because I've really used it a lot. But otherwise, this is my one and only Lauren Ralph Lauren handbag. Now, last but not the least is my Coach Tote in the black color. I think it's quite obvious that it's black, but this is the Coach Market Tote, and this is one of their most popular totes. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. They come out with so many different colors, and I have used this one quite a bit. This one is red on the inside, and it's just like the Neverfull. Like, the size of it is just exactly like Neverfull. In fact, the like the organizer that I use in my Neverfull just easily slips into this one. So it's just perfect, kind of like the same size. The only difference is that the straps of this one is a little bit more generous, so it fits really nicely on my shoulder. So I really do like this bag, and I've used it a lot, like first when I got it, but then after a while, like it started getting these dents. You guys see this in the corners? Like it's just, I don't know, it just looks very ugly. I shouldn't say that. Like this bag is so pretty. It's gold and it just looks really nice, but I feel like these dents in the leather just kind of makes it look bad. And ever since this started happening, I kind of stopped using it. I don't know why. It shouldn't stop me from using this bag because this bag is still brand new. It's really nice and it's very sturdy. We know how good Coach leather is, so there's really no complaints about it. There's really no complaints with this bag except for this thing over here. So now I kind of use this as my gym bag. I put a few things in it, but I stopped using it for that too. Like as you can see, I have stored it away. But yeah, that's pretty much my collection of black bags. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys have any of these bags in your collection. Maybe also tell me which one is your favorite. I think my most favorite would have to be this one here, just because it's recent and I don't know, I just really like it. So out of all of them, I think this one is right now my most favorite. It keeps changing, but yeah, that really does it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe down below. I would love to connect with you on an ongoing basis and kind of just be friends and keep in touch. So definitely subscribe down below. I'll see you guys now in my next video very soon. Like I said, if you're looking for like more details on any of these bags, make sure to check like other videos on my channel, or I'll leave some in the description box down below too, so check it out. But otherwise, that really does it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, connecting, liking, subscribing. Take care. Bye.